Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope everybody is good and fine. Today I'm starting my video sessions on job search. Job search and specifically job search in the UAE. And the credit goes to Rehan Bhai. He's been insisting and he's been asking me to start making the videos. Here is the first one. In the WhatsApp group and on Facebook pages, many candidates been asking if I can get a job in UAE. My answer to all those questions would be like, if you can get a job in your country, definitely you can get job in UAE. For example, if there is an accountant says that, can I get a job in UAE? Can I get a job in Dubai? Of course, there is need of accountants. If there is a real estate agent, if there is like a driver, if there is a purchaser, or an engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, they ask me if I can get a job in UAE. If you can get job in your country, if there are jobs, definitely you can get here. There are some jobs which are specific to some areas. For example, like Canada is cold, and there could be some jobs which are specific to cold weather. Like here we have in UAE and in the whole of Gulf, we need visa and we have to go for labor card and immigration for visa. So here are some jobs which are related to the PRO services, or related with you can say getting through the immigration. So we have these jobs specific to this area. If you are working in your own country, you will not have these jobs, but most of the time all the jobs which are available in your country are here too. So this is answer to their question, can I get a job in UAE?